Today you're going to be taking your spelling test. This spelling test has 25 words on it, and you're going to do your best to spell each word, sounding out the sounds, thinking about the rules that you've learned so far, and using your background knowledge to spell the words. I will read each word, and then I will give you a sentence to go along with the word. If for some reason you don't hear it or you need more time, you can always pause this video or you could go back and you can watch it again to make sure that you hear each word. So good luck. Your first word today is bed. Bed. I hopped out of bed this morning. Bed. Number 2, ship. Ship. The ship sailed around the island. Ship. Number 3, when. When. When will you come back? When. Number 4, lump. Lump. He had a lump on his head from when he fell. Lump. Lump. Number 5, float. 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 I can float on the water with my new raft. Float. Number 6, train. Train. I rode the train to the next town. Train. Number 7, place. Place. I found a new place to put my pencils. Place. Number 8, drive. Drive. I learned to drive a car. Drive. Number 9, bright. Bright. That light is very bright. 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 Number 10, shopping. Shopping. She went shopping for new shoes. Shopping. Number 11, spoil. Spoil. The food will spoil if it is not kept in the refrigerator. Spoil. Spoil. Number 12, serving. 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 The restaurant is serving dinner tonight. Serving. Number 13, chewed. Chewed. The dog chewed up my homework. Chewed. Chewed. Number 14, carries. Carries. She always carries an apple in her basket. Carries. Carries. Number 15, marched. Marched. We marched in the parade. Marched. Marched. Number 16, shower. Shower. The shower in the bathroom was very hot. Shower. shower. Number 17, bottle, bottle. The bottle broke into pieces on the tile floor. Bottle. Number 18, favor, favor. He did his brother a favor by taking out the trash. Favor. Number 19, ripen, ripen. The fruit will ripen over the next few days. Ripen. Number 20, cellar, cellar. I went down to the cellar for a can of paint. A cellar is another word for a basement. Cellar, cellar. Number 21, pleasure, pleasure. It was a pleasure to sing in the chorus. Pleasure, pleasure. Number 22, fortunate, fortunate. It was fortunate that the driver had snow tires on their car. Fortunate, fortunate. Number 23, confident, confident. I am confident that we, the Eagles, can win the game. Confident, confident. Number 24, civilize, civilize. They wanted to civilize the forest people. Civilize. Number 25, opposition, opposition. The coach said the opposition would be tough. Opposition, opposition. Okay, if you missed any of the words, you can now go back and listen to this video again. I would recommend that and just check your words to make sure that you spelled your words correctly. Good luck.